Notice in my snake game, my snake does not immediately move. In fact, it gives me a little bit of a cool off time, and that allows me to understand what is the field like, where is my, where are the foods placed, and so on and so forth. Now, I felt the need for this when I was building this bonus where I had to eat in a specific order, because by this I could kind of anticipate what's coming up. But really, you can build this even otherwise. Very simple to build and very effective. We are enhancing the Hungry Traveling Snake project from the WiByte Python curriculum, available at www.wibyte.in. This video we'll see how we can create this initial cool off. In fact, like I said, the idea is very simple. So here I didn't do too well, but never mind. How do I do this? Well, really what I've done is that I define a Boolean variable called initial, and that I do it before the loop starts. And once the loop starts, I ask myself the question: if it's initial period, then please sleep for some time, could 3, 4, 5, doesn't matter. And then after that, I set this to false. So notice this will happen once and exactly once, and this will cause a cool off. Now, in my case, I'm doing this after the let's say the next neighbor has been highlighted, so that I get some time to look at it. But like I said, you can do it even otherwise, even if you're not doing these bonus ideas. So I can show you how to develop this. Well, like I said, I'm going to just create, let's say, initial as a Boolean variable. In the beginning, I set it to true. When the game is going on, here I am setting the, let's say the nearest neighbor. After that, I just ask a question. Well, if, let's say, if initial, that means like starting off, so let's say time dot sleep, perhaps say maybe 5 seconds, and then I say initial is equal to false. So this will happen once and exactly once. So there you go. My snake is going to go upwards when I start, and I managed to catch it. Let's see how effectively I can exploit this situation. I go around. I think it has to be this. Now, where is my next one? Remember, these are the nearest neighbors that are being highlighted to me. Okay. Oops, I got it wrong order. But you get the idea that, even without this bonus, you can do this initial cool off, and it's quite interesting. I hope you found this interesting. In general, if you think this way of learning, where we build activities first, then we enhance them, is something that appeals to you, well, look at our website, www.wibyte.in, because that's how we learn Python programming. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye.